everyone, my name is Paul and I wanted to share a quick video with you about AgentVibes, an open source repo I created using Claude Code for Claude Code. So AgentVibes is a one-line installer. It's just npx AgentVibes install to your Claude Code project, and it will add text-to-speech for your vibe coding sessions or your Claude coding sessions, so that instead of seeing just text come across the screen in the matrix, you can actually get it to speak to you, talk back to you, even with a personality and with a myriad of different voices. Well, up to now, we're all using Claude Code on our computers. But did you know you can actually use Claude Code on your mobile as well? That's right. If you install Termux, a terminal emulator and Linux environment app for Android on your phone, you can actually install Claude Code on your phone and do vibe coding right here on Android. But what's really cool is if your coding project is live on a remote server, you can also SSH in to that remote server through Termux on your Android, which so your remote server may be hosting your web app or whatever, or your Android app. You can then Claude Code remotely through Termux on your phone. And so what I wanted to do, and what I've just recently done, is I've enabled AgentVibes to send voice back to your phone. So if you're doing vibe coding through your mobile will now talk back to you using AgentVibes. It's so cool. So in order to do that, you need to install the Termux app as well as Tailscale, which is a VPN that provides an IP address to your remote server or your local machine, and the Termux API program, which allows text to be sent to your mobile and have it change it to speech. So let's give it a quick demo. I've got Claude Code open here on my mobile and on my remote server. I'm going to click the little microphone icon, and I'm going to say, "Hey, AgentVibes, can you say hello to us in a sarcastic tone?" And let's hear that audio come back through the phone.
Sure, I'll fix that. Right after I finish curing world hunger.
So there's her sarcastic sass for you. Anyways.
Oh, hello there. How absolutely delightful that you've decided to grace me with your attention. I'm truly honored. Really, can't you tell?
Awesome. So that's the Android voice.
I'll check the Git status for you.
Okay, you can stop now. Okay, I'll press escape here so she leaves us alone. Anyways, that's the only voice available on Android. However, if you are working on VS Code on your computer, either a Mac or PC, and you happen to install AgentVibes, you get access to a lot more different voices, as well as reverb effects if you want it, as well as background music. Okay, and here we are in VS Code in my AgentVibes repo, working on the code live, so you can see what's happening. So I've got AgentVibes configured using Piper, and I'm running my Sonar quality gates and the test suite to make sure everything's good for this release. So let's hear AgentVibes in a few seconds here. It should speak to us.
Test suite and Sonar quality gate validation complete. All 251 tests passed. Working tree is clean. Found pre-existing quality issues in bash scripts that should be addressed in a future security hardening sprint.
Okay, so that was Play TTS, which is part of AgentVibes, which spoke the results of running the tests through Piper voice TTS provider. So now you can see AgentVibes in action. I've got a specific voice selected. There's a bunch of different voices you can select, but I like this one. You could also add background music. So if I say, please change background music to bachata, every time AgentVibes speaks, it will do bachata. So let's have it do that. Okay. So by the way, I'm also using this speech-to-text program on my computer, which is called Whisper Typing, which I highly recommend, because then you can have a true...
Changing background music to Barcata for all AgentVibes TTS.
Then you can have a true iterative conversation with your computer. You can speak to it and it can speak back. So now I've just instructed AgentVibes to add bachata, and let's hear what it says once bachata is enabled. Okay.
Barcata background music is now playing.
There's our bachata.
Listen to the smooth Latin rhythm while AgentVibes talks.
Okay, so anyways, that's it for now, guys. Hope you like these updates. Talk to you soon. This is Paul signing out.